So I do have my Lonsdor K518 Pro. We're gonna go ahead and add some keys to a 2012 Honda Civic. This is the SI model. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Emo, find the vehicle. We're gonna hit Honda. Select from vehicle, USA, it's gonna be a Civic. This is a 2012. Mechanical key or remote? This is a mechanical key. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some keys. So you have the add one key function and all keys lost function. So we're gonna go ahead and add a key. Gonna go ahead and put the original key to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. So it does say to switch ignition off. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. Insert a registered key and switch ignition on. So switch ignition on. Okay. Connecting. Switch ignition off within 15 seconds. Off. Within 17 seconds, switch ignition on. Switch ignition off within 17 seconds. Switch ignition on with the new key in 20 seconds. This is the original. This is the aftermarket key we're gonna add. There we go. Switch ignition off within 17 seconds. Switch ignition on within 20 seconds without replacing key. Switch ignition off within 15. Switch ignition on. Please wait. Is the immobilizer light off? So the immobilizer is usually right here. It is off. So we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Switch ignition off. Okay. Count of program key is 4. Check all the keys work. So this is one key we just added. Is there any immobilizer lights on? No. So for this customer, we are doing 2 keys. So we're just gonna follow the step-by-step instructions of the Lonsdor K518 Pro and add this other key and go ahead and get this job done.